Leo. Welcome to your reading. Leo, you got the Tower and the Knight of Cups. It looks like your ego is breaking. Something in the world is happening. Tower, things are falling apart. Things may feel like पता नहीं क्या हो रहा है ये. At least एक ये spiritual awakening तो है ही जहाँ पे आपको चीज़ें समझ नहीं आ रही हैं. There is a from the universe, it is lightning outside my window right now, so there is some lightning energy, there is some clarity, but it is sweet clarity. It is like a person who loves you. It is like somebody coming at you with a Knight of Cups. This is somebody special, Leo. This is love knocking at your door. So health wise, this time may be major shifting, at the same time emotional healing. So even if you're physically unwell, this is time for emotional healing. With your work, there is Six of Cups. So this love can be at the work also. This love can be happening at the work situation also. And this is somebody showing you how to love. This is time to learn at work. At work, you need to be humble. Okay. You need to be humble, Leo. You need to put yourself in the background and watch what is happening to you. Watch how things are being called to you in certain way. Watch how people are treating you as you shift, as you become this new person who can handle bigger things in life, who can handle better things in life. So people are giving you that importance because you are adulting in a certain manner. For relationships, Ace of Swords, maybe you know who you want to be with. There is some clarity in the relationship area जहाँ पे आपको पता है कि आपको किसके साथ जाना है. ये तो दिख ही रहा है, सोलमेट एनर्जी है यहाँ पे. So Leo, I think you need to ground yourself. You need to you need to ground. Let's see what is the overall energy. The Emperor, yeah, this grounding was there. So good things are happening, but instead it is time to take responsibility, Leo, and this is time to work hard, take responsibility, build your empire. Just go and just start doing that. That's the kind of reading here कि आप बिल्कुल बस लग जाओ अपने काम में. आपने जो ठान लिया है उस पर आगे बढ़ो. कोई इंसान को सोच लिया इसके साथ जाना है तो उस पर आगे बढ़ो. Move forward with happiness. आपको खुशी मिल गई है, grab it and run. There is no looking back for you, Leo. And you have to do it with the hard work. You have to do it by taking responsibility. You have to do it by knowing that how you can change your life. If you're a man and you've found a girl, this woman can change your fortune. This is like a fortune. Treat her right. Treat her in a way that, or whatever partner energy is coming in your life, Leo, treat them right. Treat them right, even if it means that you have to put your ego down sometimes. You are receiving the healing of inner child from somebody else. Accept it. Take responsibility for your work situation. Do not, and have clarity towards who you need to be loyal to, and be OCD level um, emperor. OCD level emperor. So this is energy of the perfection of the rebel. Emperor is energy of the perfection of a man. So like this is a masculine healing. This is clarity of masculine energy. Interesting, even Cancer reading had this masculine code, and it is coming as the emperor himself in your reading. So this can be that you are realizing what is the empire that you have, what is मतलब how things are maturing. आपके मन में ऐसे questions उठ रहे होंगे जहाँ पे आपको चीज़ों में clarity चाहिए, लेकिन clarity इस वक्त सिर्फ love life में available है या आपके relationships में available है. और इस वक्त अगर आप single हो तो आपको single भी रहने की advice आ रही है. You need to focus on just your work situation and actually water those plants so that you can flower into something bigger than you, something more fortunate. Okay, let's see what is the oracle message for you here, Leo. You need to ground. This is something I can sense here. Harvest, gathering of blessings, summoning power. You're learning here. You're learning something deep. You are learning what it means to be actually in love with someone, what it means to have a sacred purpose. Healing from the divine mother, healing from the space of womb, healing from within, healing from knowing that you can always harvest what you desire. You do not have to shy away from being somebody who has desires, because desires are your harvest. You have to in some way summon the power, like instinct control. You are gaining control. Life is giving you control over situations, so take responsibility. Take responsibility of what you have made happen. Be clear about that, Leo, and that will take you further. That is the key to your fortune. The more happy you take responsibility, the more clear you become, the more blessings you have together, the more empire you will expand. Take responsibility even if it overwhelms you, and do it in a grounded way. Do it humbly. It's time to humble down. So, Leo, my friends, this is my reading for you. Check other readings on this channel if this resonates. Check your other placements to know other stories happening in your chart this month. And I'll catch you in some other reading. Bye for now.